Here's where you can go to enable the flash notifications, and this is a new feature with Android 14 on your Nothing phone, whether it's the Nothing Phone 1 or 2. There's two areas you can find this feature. Use the quick access here, tap on the settings right there, and you'll be taken to the main settings. Once in this section here, you can, one, go into the notifications section, and while here in the notifications section, just go down until you see flash notifications. So this is one of the areas in which you can actually turn this on. The other one is come out of here and you can check, maybe your phone might be different or with a different update. Go to accessibility section right here. And from the accessibility section, you just go down, keep going down until you see flash notifications. Once you're here in this section, you'll be able to turn it on just the same way. And when you turn them on, if you preview it, you'll notice that your camera flash is going to be flashing. And then for the screen flash, you can also select a color, a specific color for your screen. And then you can also preview that as well. Notice how that turned green there, okay? So that's where you would go to turn it on for these settings here, and that is that. Like and sub.